Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go to Lumberpick Valley in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to launch a game via the Epic Games Launcher, and once you're in game, press M on your keyboard, which will bring up your map. Now zoom all the way out first, and once you see the chasm, zoom in, like so. So here you can see a place called Lumberpick Valley. Click on this teleport waypoint, and on the bottom right side of your screen, you'll see an option called teleport. Click on it, and you'll be teleported to Lumberpick Valley. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!